Hey, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how you can do some research about the ads that your competitors are using. So let's imagine the following case. With Magier Design, we run a design subscription service. So we help companies do their design quickly and without breaking the bank. But obviously there are also some of our competitors that are doing a similar product. One of those competitors is Supersite. And sometimes I want to see which parts of their product are they promoting, and also maybe I can get some inspiration for my own ads, because ultimately with ads it's always about finding out what works. So what I can do here now is I can go to the Facebook or Meta ad library. You can simply do that by typing in ad library Facebook, and then you will get the first result here, go through it, and then you will end up here. And in this ad library here, I can first of all filter for location. So I want to see the ads that are running everywhere for the company, and I want to see all ads that are running. And then I'm simply typing up the name of the company. And down here, there's an auto suggestion. And in our case, it's really simple to find this. Sometimes it's a little bit more tricky, but basically you can use the logo to find it out. And so I click here on Supersite, and now I can see at the moment they are running 77 ads. And I can really take a look at each one of those ads in detail. So for example, I can see this ad here.
It's amazing what some people can design with AI.
And really check out the text, the ad itself. Also, I can see where they are pushing out this ad, different versions of the ad, and then some also interesting things would be around the platforms they are putting the ads out, and since when the ad is running. Because obviously, if an ad is running for a very, very long time, in most of the cases, that means that the ad is performing very, very well, because why wouldn't they run the ad otherwise? So it's really cool to do this to get inspiration on how your competitors are promoting their product, but also to see what the messaging looks like or the types of visuals that they are using. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like below, follow the account, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.